Breaking news coming in at the top of 2 p.m. It comes as a major relief for students admitted to the 4-year BTech program in the Delhi University. The University Grants Commission, known as UGC, has asked the Delhi University to continue with the course for the students enrolled in 2013. Students admitted under BTech and BMS courses have been protesting since the university scrapped the 4-year undergraduate program. BTech and BMS students staged a protest even outside the residence of Human Resource Development Minister Smriti Irani this morning. They have been demanding that their 4-year course should not be scrapped and in fact be reinstated, and that is the case as we speak. Students also threatened that if the varsity doesn't take care of their interests, they are ready to move the court. Our correspondent Ankit Tyagi now joins me on the phone line. Ankit, finally some clarity for BTech students who have been protesting over the 4-year course being scrapped.
Absolutely. In fact, the UGC has come out and very clearly mentioned that the students, those who have taken in the 4-year BTech courses in 2013 and 14, their course will in fact continue. That there will be no new admissions, but these students need not worry, they will continue in the 4-year course itself. But the students are still demanding, they are still protesting also Smriti Irani's resident. They are saying that this is no relief as such. They're also saying that the value of their BTech degree has been completely diminished in the market. They will have very less employment opportunities because this will be the only course, only 1 year, only one batch that will get out of this course. Apart from that, they are also demanding that the management course, the BMMS course that was also started, same should be done for that course. They are still demanding to meet Smriti Irani, the HRD minister. As of now, she's not here. She's expected to come to her residence in the evening.
All right, Ankit, thanks for joining us on that breaking news story. I believe there's more breaking news coming up.